To start blocking unwanted content, we'll need to access the blocked content settings from the parent dashboard on your device. Click on the blocked card to open the keyword and channel blocking options. You have now accessed the blocked content section where you can manage restrictions. Let's go to next step, which is to add a keyword to the block list. Now we'll add a keyword to prevent specific content from appearing on your child's device. To add a keyword to the block list, type the word you want to block into this search bar. Once you've entered the keyword, click the block button to add it to your block list. You'll see a confirmation notification appear, and the keyword will now be added to your blocked list. Notice how the blocked keyword now appears in your list here, confirming it's been successfully added to your content filter. The keyword has been added to your block list and is now active. Let's go to next step, which is to verify the block on the child's device. To verify the block is working, switch to the child's device and click the refresh button here. Once the page reloads, you'll notice that videos containing the blocked keyword are no longer visible on the child's device. You have now confirmed that the keyword block is working correctly on the child's device. Let's go to next step, which is to navigate to the blocked channel settings. To set up blocked channels, tap on the Channels tab here. You'll now see the blocked channels list where you can manage which channels are restricted on your child's device, just like we did with keywords.